My name is Jenny. This is for Dubclinic, and we're located in Santa Clara, California. We needed a website update, and it came highly recommended from our merchant. So we wanted to go ahead and work with you guys and hopefully see the best results coming out of it. Everything has been super positive from building the website to actually seeing our numbers increase. I don't think we've ever had like a negative number or like a negative meeting where we sit down and talk about anything negative. Everything has been positive from the very start. We definitely saw an increase even in just phone calls. We were getting 10 to 20 emails for upsells or quotes. I would even say there was a time where we would get those per day. So it's super positive to see emails coming in and phone calls requesting to come in, all because they were able to find you through the website or through Google, everybody searching up anything like that. It's super helpful to have the dashboard. So you're able to actually see where your customers are coming from, where you're most popular. It makes it, more understandable rather than just throwing numbers out in conversation. You're actually able to compare it month for month. I think it really has been super easy and consistent and super easy to understand. It keeps us on track.